Hey guys, welcome back. Today Google Doodle celebrates Cambodia Independence Day 2021. On this day in 1953, Cambodia became a sovereign nation, restoring the identity of the indigenous Khmer people and upholding the nation's ancient history. Celebrated annual as Independence Day, the historic anniversary is now a holiday. The Cambodian government honored this declaration of autonomy in 1958 with the construction of a lotus-shaped stupa in the capital of Phnom Penh. Coined the Independence Monument, this 20-meter high tower resembles the iconic 12th century Khmer temple complex of Angkor Wat, which is emblazoned on the Cambodian flag depicted in the Doodle artwork. Traditionally, today's formal ceremonies begin at the base of the Independence Monument, followed by parades, marching bands, and fireworks over the banks of the Mekong River. Typical cuisine of rice, fish sauce, chili pepper, coconut, and lemongrass is served across the Southeast Asian nation as citizens reflect on the historical path to freedom. Happy Independence Day, Cambodia! So guys, I hope you like this video, so do not forget like, share and comment, and do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. So thank you.